back to another episode of Arrive and Drive. We're back again in the FD. We're gonna be headed out to get it all aligned. It is out of whack right now. You know that we've been doing the suspension, and we changed a bunch of things. Got the proper ride height. We are at 25 inches from the ground, from the floor to the fender in the front, and in the back we are at 25.25 from the floor to the fender, which is pretty much what's recommended for a setup for these cars. They handle very well. Anything under that, a lot of times the suspension just doesn't work properly. So we made a bunch of changes to the front, put in poly. We put in some new pillow balls on the lowers for lower cars for CC Factory. You can look them up. They're the same ones that Rob Dom used in his Pikes Peak 3-rotor. So we're gonna be headed out here in this beautiful little red FD. All right, so here we go. We're headed out to our destination. Our steering wheel is crooked as can be, but hey, we're going there to get this fixed. But man, I can already tell the difference. The front end is so much more. I can't even speak English properly. I'm so excited. I don't know. I just can't control myself. Listen, the front end is so much stiffer now, and it's point direct. Where I point it is where it goes, where it did before, but it's even tighter now. I mean, the car feels brand new. It really does. It's still not perfect because of course it needs the alignment, but man, this thing runs smooth. And all that stuff that I heard about poly and it being too stiff, I don't know. I haven't felt it yet. It feels damn good. Damn good. Well worth it to me so far. I will do a full review on the suspension and the poly, but as of right now, it's a quick little reference. Man, it's good. It's real good. So we're just gonna continue on, hit this little road right here, headed to our destination where we get the alignment. Hope that they get it all squared away. This is the Poly Super Pro bushings, but there's a little twist to it. These are the ones that allow you to do the adjustments for the caster and the camber. I don't know how that's gonna go in the wheel alignment process. We're going to a pretty reputable shop that knows what they're doing with these cars as far as like race suspension and stuff, and we hope that they come through. The car is running super good. We had an oil leak from the oil pan. These cars suffer a lot from oil pan leaks, and most of the time what you have to do is to buy a new oil pan. But shout outs to my buddy Joey, who helped work on this car and helps a lot with this car. He was able to bang the OEM oil pan back to its original state, and we have no leaks. That's right, no more oil leaks. That doesn't mean you don't check. That doesn't mean that you don't check the oil. You need to check it. But what it does mean is that it's not putting oil all over my driveway, or more or less all over my garage, and it's going to keep the car a lot cleaner on the bottom of the car. I hope you guys are liking this camera view. I'm going to keep on messing with camera views, see what works best. This is a camera view that I'm trying out, see what happens. For those who've been watching, I did fix that pesky little throttle stuck condition, so the throttle is not sticking anymore, which is great. Idle's not bad at all. The idle is way up at like 4,300 RPM, but we're brapping right along. We got a good vacuum, which allows us to know that the engine is running properly. It doesn't need seals, which is a great thing. Thank you, Kilo, for building me a great engine. For those who don't know him, Jesus Padilla at the Kilo Racing, great engine builder. I recommend him 100% over. I tell you what, I can't explain how impressed I am with these Super Pro polyurethane bushings. They are just so good. The car feels brand new. I bought this car when it only has 63,000 miles, and I tell you what, the suspension feels better than when it had 63,000 miles on it back in 1998. This is insane. I can't explain how happy I am at this moment. A lot of people ignore suspension, but to me, suspension is just as important than the performance of the motor. And talk about the performance of the motor, let's get a little bit into the boost, see what happens. It's been a little while. Oh yeah. Oh, she's pulling. Oh, she's pulling hard. Just a little, get on it. Let's see what. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, she got up there quick, in a hurry. Feels so good. Welcome back, baby. I love you.
3 hours later.
All right, we're getting it set up. As you can see, lower car, so it sits too low to jump on there. So a little bit of modification to get us up there without scraping the front splitter. Oh. What's up, Joey?
Yeah, I know where you at.
Oh, you know where I'm at? I'm at Benji's Auto. I don't know if you know where that is.
Yeah, I know where that is.
Oh, dale. Come here then. That's where I'm at.
All right.
Dale. Bye. Dímelo. Dale, tranquilo. Dale. So in Spanish, he told me basically that he's gonna get all that sand off there. That truck left a bunch of sand and dirt, so the way he's working clean makes sense, you know. All right, we're getting closer. Oh, we're going up.